In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add videos to chat conversations and bot actions in HubSpot. Whether you're using automated chat flows or replying manually inside the inbox, adding video can dramatically increase engagement, improve clarity, and help you convert more visitors into customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert videos inside bot messages and live chat replies step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, we're going to add a video inside a bot chat flow. Log into your HubSpot account and go to the main navigation menu. Click on Conversations and then select Chat Flows. This is where all your bots and live chat flows are managed. Once you're inside chat flows, choose the bot you want to edit. Find the specific chat flow where you'd like to add the video and click Edit. This will open the Bot Builder, where you can modify messages, actions, and logic. Now you need to either add a new action or edit an existing one. If you want to create a new message step, click the plus button where you want the action to appear. If you already have a message created, simply click on that existing action, such as Send Message. Select Send a Message if prompted. This opens the message editor where you can customize what the visitor will see. Inside the message editor, look for the Insert Video icon. It looks like a small video camera. Click that icon, and you'll be given multiple options for your video source. You can choose HubSpot Video or Vidyard if you're hosting videos there. You can insert a YouTube URL, you can insert a Vimeo URL, or you can select a file directly from HubSpot Files if you've already uploaded your video to your file manager. Choose your preferred source. If you're using YouTube or Vimeo, simply paste the video URL. If you're using HubSpot Files or Vidyard, select the video from your available library. Once selected, the video will appear embedded directly inside the bot message preview. After confirming everything looks good, click Save. Make sure to publish or update the chat flow so the changes go live. Now, whenever a visitor reaches that step in your bot conversation, they'll see an inline video player directly inside the chat window. Next, let's look at how to add a video inside a live chat conversation while speaking directly with a visitor. To do this, go back to the main navigation and click Conversations, then select Inbox. This opens your Conversations inbox, where all active and past chat threads are stored. Select the chat thread where you want to send a video reply. At the bottom of the conversation, you'll see the reply editor. In the reply editor, click the Insert Video icon, again represented by a small video camera symbol. Just like in the bot builder, you'll see several options. You can insert from Vidyard, insert from files if the video is stored in HubSpot, or insert a YouTube link. Choose your source, select or paste your video, and add it to the message. The video will appear directly in your reply before you send it. Once you hit send, the visitor will see an inline video player inside the chat conversation, making it easy for them to watch without leaving the page. Using video inside chat is extremely powerful. You can send product demos, onboarding walkthroughs, personalized video messages, FAQ explanations, or even quick troubleshooting guides. It creates a more human and interactive experience compared to plain text. And that's it. You now know how to add videos to both bot actions and live chat conversations inside HubSpot. It only takes a few clicks, but it can significantly improve engagement and conversion rates. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.